The system, Alkaline was talking about the system for a long time, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not the system. It's funny when Alkaline was saying he was getting bashed for it though. I find it very funny now that Masicka is talking about the system. Everybody just talking about the system now.
For the years, Alka is their friend. I will never hear him in a fuck you yet. Never. We never hear him in a fuck you yet. A year they do it. A long time I see before enough of them. A long time I see before enough of them.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them like.
Well, go on, you don't know things that, you know, but yo, I see that brother here talk a thing, you know, and a lot of people, them don't want to speak the truth. You understand? Them really don't want to speak the truth. And a lot of people see what go on and see the way how them a push it. But you see, because Alkaline is a man where them know what go on with fame when him just have out up in the game. So them want make it seem like say, yo, I know him get the real big fight in a dancehall. You see me? But that brother I go see a thing and I want to know hear what him say.
Put to the situation that people don't know about. Masicka probably knows something that's going on. The system, Alkaline was talking about the system for a long time, you know. So it's not the system. It's funny when Alkaline was saying he was getting bashed for it though. I find it very funny now that Masicka is talking about the system. Everybody just talking about the system now. And now that Vice Cartel, you know, Vice Cartel is very quiet right now, and he's not saying nothing. Using the same thing Alkaline was doing. And when Alkaline was doing it, it was a problem.
That me tell you say, yo, dancehall is a big hypocrite space, you know. Yeah, man, dancehall is a big hypocrite. When the whole everybody a fight Alka, nobody never did that. When Alka say, yo, this and that, and nobody never with it. Oh, no system not fight him, right? But one little incident go on, when Masicka run out, about system, everybody a talk about the system thing. You know why? Because Alkaline wasn't them favorite. Masicka is them favorite. So that's why when him says system, you see me? Because remember, you know, the whole industry not rate Alkaline. But 90% of the industry rate Masicka. Otherwise, from him and the Gaza fallout, you have people out there where a part of the system will rate him. You understand? So that's why when him say it, it's like it's a aware thing because people rate him. Him are them favorite, but when Alkaline now, them wasn't Alkaline favorite. You see me? All when Masicka the including I think I'm the day over the Gaza thing and I try rate this Alka and all of them little thing there. I talk about Gully Vendetta, Gaza genocide and one bag of thing. See, nobody never see that with Alka. But one little thing go down with Masicka. But I true Masicka them favorite. And that's why when Alkaline I say it, nobody never say nothing. You see me? Nobody never say nothing because Alkaline is not their favorite. But as everything go, you see me, we just know, we just put in the work and kick down barriers. You understand? And make youths come run, boy. Is it? You don't know the thing said.
No cartel doing it, not a problem. So seems very what do you call it? What do you want to call it? What's the word?
Yeah, man, that may I tell you?
Very
Yeah, man.
hypocritical.
There we go.
Yeah, man, it hypocritical, man, may I tell you. But people, you don't know a dancehall are hypocrite, you know. Big time hypocrite. But look at now, I see our next brother forward out. You see, I want to know hear what I say, because you see, enough people don't say, yo, Alkaline introvert, antisocial and everything. But them not realize, say, brother, don't feel like what you see Alka do. Remember, you know, back in the days, Alka usually out there, in the media more, in the presence of people like that. But if you realize, check the dancehall history. A lot of the dancehall artists them, because them in the media and the writers and the over here, so them get caught up in some situation where kind of put a damage on them career. You understand? The bag of posting. That's why you see Alkaline do the bag of posting. Everything when him does posting music. You understand? Does him music. Him put up a picture. If you see Alkaline put up a picture, it's a picture where maybe I got in our music video for when I sang them. Them man they just do strictly music for him Instagram page. Any page with Alkaline up on social media, I just music I do it. There is no lifestyle, nothing. Because if you check it, a lot of these artists, when you see on them page, them are man, them have up this here gun here upon them waist, them have this one bag of killers, one bag of mass up face, all of these things, brandash, everything, them go here, so them got data with them post. Seeing? But down the line, them don't know say look here. The feds are watch everything what go on. You see, but that brother here attack a thing and you know, he must say, yo, improve to be a vendetta fan cause when you see what go on with you don't know, you squash them. You see me? Yeah, the two man in Alkaline rub out. You see me? From the 6 them. 2 man them in a custody. One must have found out next year and the next one get caught with you. You understand? Maybe I wait for court case and all of them like something. So the youth, I gotta tell you what go on.
Higher vendetta family.
And everybody was a vendetta, straight. Yard and foreign. That's why I show the appreciation to be a vendetta fan. As a years, I'll say they're foreign. I will never hear him in a fuck yet. Never. We never hear him in a fuck yet. A year you do it. A long time I see snow before enough for them. A long time I see snow before enough for them. I'll never hear him in a fuck with. A long time I come to New York. A long time they whole for a year up and down. I will never hear him in a fuck with dog. So as a vendetta fan, I'm proud of fuck youth.
Yeah man, youth, what you mean man? Cause I remember you know, we don't want to see no artist or you don't want to see vendetta boss. You know, not tussling or nothing with the feds. Because I remember, you know, Alkaline have a big brand, you know, new rules, you know, worldwide brand that, you know. You understand? The man no want mash up him brand and them thing by that. Damage him career and all of them like a thing. That's why the youth stay from the media, dog. The youth, that's how I tell you, you know. People don't understand, right? That's why Alkaline are too. Yeah, Alkaline will be bridging, but them man they just move away, dog. Like, them man they with us, you know, hear from them man they just zone out of one different part of the world, brother. You understand? Because this is the thing with Alka now. If you see Alka and a man fall out, brother, that's something more him do. Because he's a brother way. Him just in him zone. You understand? Him just in him zone. Even him sister can tell you. You see me? Kerry. The man they just in a them zone more while. You see me? Him just in him own little world. So the youth, him prefer observe what go on at the media than for in it and I go on with a bag of things. You see me? The only time you will see Alkaline video with him, either him just pull up in one country about to perform a one show in another country there. You will see him do a video. That's it. But the man not depend on daily posts and all of them little things. They are strictly music. Why you see when the man drop all music, everybody talk about it. Alkaline only give his music. Nobody don't know why I'm private life. They don't know if him have a youth. They don't know if him have a woman. They don't know nothing about the youth. Only thing them know about Alkaline is the music. You understand? That's all. That's how the youth display out there to him fans them. That's why you see him fans them react to him music. You understand? Them well fan out. Why you think Vendetta fans them so loyal? Because them artists make them focus on them connect. Cause me tell people this as an artist, you know, seeing? As an artist, me tell people say, as an artist, you're supposed to make your fans focus on the music, not your lifestyle. You understand? That's why you will see a lot of people are talk about Alkaline music. You know, you them talk about him lifestyle and all of them little thing there. You see me? The youth not put them thing there out in the media. The youth just focus on him music. You see me? And that's why you will see him numbers them chart over in the US and them places because look, you know, him fans just cause this is the thing, you know, how you get to connect to the artist. Mean like for rate the artist, respect the artist is his music. You understand? Every artist of them music make you know them and you can relate to them. Not no lifestyle where them a live. You understand? Because the moment you start make your fans them focus on your lifestyle and everything, them now go really support your music like that. Like buy album, buy this and buy that. You understand? Some of the time the man them fall out in the media and back and forth with people and them something they don't know say, brother, them thing they not good for you as an artist, bro. Feed the people them with music. If you are going to vent to somebody, use music, bro. You understand? So, Alkaline just stay in a zone. Sometimes, at the same company where you're there on, can shake you up in a life. You understand? So, the youth just stay to himself, stay in a zone. Him know, say, look here, only sell out or go on if me sell out my own self. Nobody can sell me out because I'm in my own zone. You understand? So Alkaline deal with them thing. You know, go hear Alkaline I get caught up in a situation because he's a smart youth. You see me, he's a very smart youth. You see me, so him know how to deal with them thing. You see me, because nobody now see him post this and post up with this and all of them little thing there. You see me? Just music videos and songs and them thing there we see him, I'm sure. That's it. You see it?
You know, say yeah. We never seen a picture with a trick up you on an arm. I never see a picture with a meat mill. I know I fuck you like that. So this one says a Vendetta fan. So we are proud that a Vendetta fan, you know, say. The legend that do it, you see me? The icon that do it. I do it for the whole Jamaica. You know, they not going to get, I don't want that either. What them not doing? We are taking anything we want. But that is a Vendetta fan, be proud of your fuck. You see me, father? Street, street Vendetta. Proud of your fuck. So come my friend and know, say, yeah. We can buy $1 million gun and bag of thing. We there going easy, don't. Street Vendetta. Big up yourself, Kerry, go and hold the food, say the way the dog. Never sell out family and family. Believe it here.
Message to Alkaline.
Yeah, man, I always say that, man. You see, Alkaline is a blessed youth, man. Very blessed youth. You see, because look here now. You see, yo, when I lie, if your youth have a career and have him sister them around him, bro, a real loyalty that, brother. Me I tell you. Real loyalty, bro. Me never say a entertainer, artist, and them sister so band in a way if you say, yo, like, for them help him. Like, yo, pre this. Majority of the time, sister and brother them always have a little fallout. Like, you know, a family thing, cause some family no want to see the better for you. But for see him, sister them there with him from the get-go. And I make the reach youth certain level. And I take care of certain things. Me have to big them up 100%. Me have to do it. Because them loyalty they rare. Enough family bring down family. Me I tell her that. That's why I tell you, yo, me have to respect Kerry. And I have to respect Kimmy for that. Cause trust me, enough sister and brother them now want to see the next family reach to that level there. You see me? And if you see them as a sister, I look out for them brother, so I really royalty, that family, everything. You understand? It shows say, yo, them band different as a blood relative. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a good look. And, you know, for those make them know, say, yo, them brother good. Them brother make millions of dollars. I know, say, yo, they want to make sure, say, look here, bookings to get, when sure that everything have ready for them brother for deal with, and got no bag up, no problem, everything. When they keep him new rules, then make sure, say, yo, everything sorted out and everything good. You understand? Or if you big up the sister, them, and tell your people, yo, I know, boy, if you have family member we carry you, help you so long, you know, brother, and if you make see success, you know, and watch you grow, you know. You understand? If you're checking on any little family and them little thing there, you always have some family not like this and them not like. Them prefer fight you more than just help you. So it's a good look. You see me? And we just rate say, yo, Alka, you know, as the man will lead the new generation. You see me? Him make sure say, look here. He make sure keep him thing, structure, for make you them we are forward up in our business. Say, look here, yo. The man ain't not to see them man there, man ain't no trouble on them like a thing there, you know. And him me I go follow, you know. You understand? The youth thing just different. You see me? Different, man. Strictly business and all of them something there. I tell you people, you see me, so a real thing the youth attack. You see me, car from Alka day in a foreign base, and a man and no problem with no police and with nobody. Like how you see people go over so in the US and put themselves in a problem. You never hear that with Alka yet. You understand? No problem, no fraud, nothing. The youth just stay in them zone. You see me? But people, when they don't know, one media facts, you know what things said. That is it.